Hi, it's Gina with your note of the week. This week's note is about customer zooms. Customer zooms are a wonderful way to see information about your customers without running a report. So let's get started. I'll click on Customers, Customers. Now there's two ways to look at a customer zoom. One way is to call up a customer and to click on this little Z right to the right of the customer number line. Another way is to access a lookup and click on the zoom button or press F6. And here's what a zoom shows you. I'm going to do it from the Z. They're both the same, by the way. So when you go into a customer zoom, you get some blue and white area that just gives you some general information about the customer. Recent sales will show you the last 20 purchases. And if you want to look at the receipt or print a copy of the receipt, simply click on the link under the document column, and you'll actually go to the receipt, and you'll be able to see, I'm going to just go to the single page view here, you'll be able to see the general ticket information, any other items that were on a ticket, how the payment for the ticket was made, and any taxes collected. Monthly history will give you sales history month over month, year over year. Current documents are sales that were created today. Ship to addresses will list all the addresses associated with this customer record. Closed layaways, completed layaways for the customer. Special purchases, these are purchase orders that are tied to this customer. Closed orders, any orders that are completely processed for this customer. And under ticket history, a complete list of every single purchase the customer's ever made. And again, you can click on the link under the document column to look at the actual ticket or to print a copy of the receipt. But here's something I like a little bit better. If you come up here to this button, View Ticket History, you'll actually get a nice split screen by clicking on the table view, and the top half of the screen gives you a summary of the ticket, and the bottom half shows you item detail. So watch as I click through the summary, you'll see the bottom changes. This is just a quick way to look up purchases. And obviously, if it's a customer that's had a lot of purchases, you can come up here and filter for ticket date ranges as well. But the very, very nice thing about a Zoom is you can access it through point of sale, which is a great customer service tool. So in point of sale, and I'll just go ahead and call it my point of sale screen here, I have the customer listed right up here on the customer number line. So if you actually just click right on this line, the customer will come up in this enter customer box, and you can zoom right from here. Or if you want to just go into your customer lookup, find the customer and click on the zoom button here, you'll get the same screen. But what's very nice about this from a customer service perspective is if the customer needs a copy of a receipt from a previous purchase, or they're looking to purchase something that's a complement to something else they purchased, the salesperson can easily access their sales history and make suggestions. So that's your note of the week. Thanks for joining me, and I'll talk with you again next week. Bye for now. Thanks for joining me for this session of Note of the Week. Hope to see you again soon. We would love to hear from you. If you would like to submit a question for Note of the Week, email training@cksystem.com. And on the subject line, type Note of the Week. If you would like to schedule training time or request a free training catalog, call me at 888-476-7911, extension 3. Talk to you next week. Bye.